Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
She was just a girl. She is the world.
Let us start. You can use any application you have to do this trend. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 19 photos or videos you have. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust your clips to full screen. Delete the end part. You can crop video if you have long duration videos. Choose the required part and split from both ends and then delete. You can do this for all videos. After this, now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all the clips to this time duration. Now after this, the text. Write the first text and then choose font and style. Now place the text and apply the text layer till the first photo. Now listen to the audio and write second text from that point. Now place the text and apply the text layer till first photo. Now again listen to the audio and write third and fourth text and adjust the text layer till the first photo. Now check your video.
And with that, the 2022 comes to an end. Good night.
Just a girl. Expected the world.
Now export your video. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.